The Bitcoin price was breaking out exactly as we had predicted it yesterday with our ascending triangle, and I hope a lot of you guys were able to catch that trade and make some decent money on it, because it went exactly to our target and beyond that. So congratulations first of all to everybody who was able to catch that trade. And now I see here a major move to the upside in the imminent short term for Bitcoin. So definitely stick around here until the end and make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also like this video and activate the notification bell. And let's directly go here into the charts. So based here on the daily chart, when we look on the VPVR, we saw of course here yesterday this nice green candle here going to the upside. That was also what I was expecting. Everybody was betting on it that we will have a bullish outcome, and that was exactly what happened. To the upside to $24,300, and from there we basically got rejected today and are going down now a little bit. So, but this is not a huge problem for me. Why is that not a big problem? Because we're above the point of control, the red line on the VPVR, on the volume profile, on the visible range. And when we're looking at it, we are also above the longest bar that was still holding us back to go here into higher prices. We have one bar left at $24,100 ish. And once that is broken, guys, I can tell you we will see insane fireworks to the upside, because here we still have this big gap where it's basically just thin air, where Bitcoin will move immediately to around $29,000 approximately. So when I draw now here a horizontal line into this, then you see that is not so far away anymore from where the Bitcoin price is at right now. But I want to show you more evidence. Don't take just my word for that. So I want to show you something else here, and that is here on the logarithmic growth curve, on the legacy trend, that Bitcoin is about to break back into the legacy trend line, into this growth curve. So, and every time when Bitcoin did this, the bear market was over. We never came back for a long time to retest the support line of this growth curve. So here it could be that this week we break above that, close a weekly candle above that with this week's candle, and then next week we will attack the $29,000 level. I think that is a quite possible scenario right now with what we are seeing, but for that of course we have to break above $24,000 first to basically get rid of the last volume area at $24,100 so that we can expect that move. But I think it is quite likely that we're gonna see a move like that. So, and then when we look into next year, so you see here way back when I made a video where I was pointing out what's happening here on the logarithmic growth chart, was that I expected the bear market to end around April. So that we see the touch or the run starting in April. We are 2 months away. So I made this, I don't know, 8 months ago. So for being maybe potentially 2 months off is, I think, still quite accurate when you look on the weekly time frame. So and then we have the next halving event here, this other line. So, and that is when the bull market will be completely back. So, and that's when I expect next year that we touch around $300,000 on the top. And if we don't touch it, then I still have a more milder target of $160,000. So here in between is my bull run target for the next bull run that is coming after the next halving next year. So, and but now for the immediate short term, we have to just keep an eye on if we can break back into this channel or if we get rejected from there. So when we are going then, where was my chart? Here to the Wyckoff accumulation pattern, we're seeing this is playing out like clockwork. It's impeccable how accurate this is playing out, since I have shown you that also over a month ago, I think, for the first time. So, and you can see we are still here between resistance and here this auto resistance level, where we should see the price going up here to this level, potentially coming back one more time, and then breaking up and going higher. So, and once this is happening, that is the moment where we will go to $28,000 and potentially even higher. So you should definitely have an eye on that. What's happening here? Take a screenshot, stop the video, set this up on your own trading view so that you can watch that. Because once we are breaking this resistance level here of $25,200, we are off to the races, and will go really quick to 29,000, potentially even $30,000. So, and don't forget, guys, if you want to trade with me together these insane moves, I have just opened a new long position on Bitcoin with low leverage. Don't forget that you still get on BYBIT $30,000 absolutely for free and sign up bonus with that specific link, and on Bitget $20,000 also only with the link in the pinned comment below. It's a win-win for both sides. I will get a little bit of money, you will get a free bonus, and you are helping me to keep this channel alive, which is really important. And you should also not forget that I'm really grateful for everybody, every single one of you out there watching my videos, commenting, liking and sharing it. That really helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm, so definitely keep doing that, please. So now when we go back to the chart, there is one other thing that I want to point out that we should also not neglect, and that is on the weekly chart. We're about to get a death cross if these two lines would be crossing like this, and that could be really bad for the immediate short term. So, but I also want to tell you, it could be a fake out. We have seen that in the past multiple times, where we got also fake outs where we came down like this and we got this death cross, and then immediately 2 weeks later we turned around and got a golden cross again, and the price was going up. So that is also something that I have an eye on. But the other scenario is that 200 moving average here is continuing in a yellow to flatlining like this. The 50 comes down, bounces off because the price action is going here through the roof, and then that is of course then a bullish sign that we continue to the upside. So there you have it, guys. It looks like it for the time being that we are seeing more upside here, also in most of the altcoins, also in Ethereum. There is a lot more upside to come. I just want to show you quick here the pattern on the 1 hourly chart that we were talking about. There was breaking out here. For everybody who has not caught this yesterday, so let's make this here more accurate. So here, that was basically what I had shown you guys, where we have broken out to. And here I have found another potential pattern that we can trade, that I of course also want to show you guys. It's not 100% textbook accurate, but I have definitely an eye on that. And that is here, this potential W pattern. I actually would like to move this all the way up here. So by textbook, a W pattern, there we should not have a lower low than this low here. This should be normally higher. So, but it happened in the past where we saw a W like that and it was still breaking to the upside. So, and you have seen we have completed the right side of it. If we break now here back above the neckline of it, I would still consider it valid. So, and here you will also see now something interesting. The technical target of it, look where it is, at $25,050. So if you're not in a trade yet, wait that we break above $23,800, at least with an hourly candle close, and then you can enter this trade all the way up to $25,050. I will maybe close my trade a little bit beforehand. I don't know yet. I have to see. but that is the next trade setup that I'm looking at. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.